Okay, to adopt a dog from an animal shelter, you must pay $80 for vaccinations, $65 to spay or neuter the dog, and $50 for a wellness exam by the veterinarian. Write an expression in simplest form that represents the amount in dollars it costs to adopt X dogs. Okay, so first off, we need a equation here, or an expression. So we have $80, and that's going to be for vaccinations, but that's going to be for every dog that we decide to adopt, plus the $65 for spaying and neutering the dog, and we have that for each of those dogs as well. And then we have $50 for the wellness exam, which again, that's going to be for all dogs. So that's 50 times by X. So we can see all of these are like terms, and we're going to add them all together. So 80 plus 65 is going to be 145X plus 50X. Adding another 50, we end up with 195X. So we're going to go ahead and check to make sure we did our math right, and that this is the expression that they're looking for. So we're looking for 195x. And when we check our answer here, we are good. Okay, now the next part of this, what does the coefficient in the expression part A represent? So what it means by talking about that coefficient, the coefficient is the number that's next to the variable. So they're asking, what does this 195 represent? What does that $195 mean? Well, it's the amount that we're spending for the vaccinations, spaying or neutering the dog, and the examination by the veterinarian all added together. So it'd be the total cost in dollars of adopting not just one dog, but each dog. So it's not one dog, because well, it might be one dog, because X can be one. Total amount of dollars the veterinarian is paid when the dog is adopted. No total cost in dollars of adopting X dogs. This is the one we're looking for, right? So it would be 195 times by 1 for one dog, right? But because we're looking at X dogs, when we're talking about the coefficient, which is the number next to the variable, we're not going to assume that we're only getting one. We're getting X number of dogs. So this is going to be the one that I would choose to represent this situation. Okay, so let's check to make sure we got that piece right. Ooh, okay. So it didn't like that one. Let's check it to see if it liked this one. It did. Okay. Well, I can see why they would want it, okay? And I can understand why they wouldn't want this one, because it's not the total cost in adopting X dogs, okay? Because that 195 times by X could be any amount, right? We don't know if it's going to be 195. We don't know if it's going to be 300 and, I don't know, 80 or 90 or something like that, right? So because we don't know the total cost for adopting X dogs, it's not going to represent that. Okay, so I guess I will have to retract my statement. This may not be the better option here, because this is going to be specifically per dog, each dog, or for every one dog.